Okay, now we're good. So we grab the cable, just like that, and we cut it, we split it in half.
You separate the power?
Yep, you separate the power from the video. There it is. Then what we do is we peel that little thing right there.
Make a little room so you can work with.
Yeah, make a little room, there you go.
So you cut it?
Yep, you peel it just like that. And remove the rubber part. There you go. So you got that thing right there. Alright.
Peel it back.
And then you peel it all the way back. Just like that, right. And then you cut the little white thing. Be careful not to...
Not cut it all the way down.
Yeah, all the way down. Just to get rid of that little white thing right there. The white wrapping. So we're just left with this little pin right there. Yep, copper one.
You cut it.
You cut it just like that. About that long. That's how you want to do it.
You get your BNC connector.
Yep, BNC connector right there. And there's a little pin right there. It's very important. The little pin that comes through that connector. So you put it in there just like that. That's probably why I was loose at first. So you put it just like that.
Get in there.
And you stick it on the compression side. Try to pull as far as you can. There you go, just like that. Awesome. Alright, so now here's where the tool comes in place. Just stick that connector in there. So try to pull it back a little bit more. Put it in there. Just in the little thing that the tool has. You might have to
adjust it.
Yeah, adjust that thing a little bit.
This isn't going to go far enough.
Yeah, so the tool looks like it doesn't go far enough. That's why I recommend getting the other tool. I feel like it's a little easier to work with. So let's try with the other one. This is the crimping tool. So you see how easy it is with this guy. So remove this part right here. You adjust it real quick. Just twist it. Alright, so now it's out.
There's another part of flour.
There's another, yep, there you go. I'm going to take that guy out. And we're going to put it right on the top of there. Just get a little chill there. Get in there. That's alright, just try to put it in there. And then once we're done, this is like the hardest part, I guess you can say, right? Just to get it to stay there, pretty tight.
Yeah, screw it in there.
Yeah, screw it in there. For some reason it doesn't stay there. But it still is way easier to work with, I feel like. There you go, so screw it all the way in, we finally got it there. Alright, all the way to the bottom. And now we grab the connector, the cable that we got. Open the tool a little bit just like that, just to make it fit.
And you just crimp.
And you just crimp just like that. You gotta be careful though, right? There you go. So now it's pretty crimped. Go ahead and pull it. Go ahead and pull it, show it's pretty stable in there. So you can see, it's not going to come off anywhere. And there's your little BNC video. Alright. There's the crimping tool. So it literally takes about 5 minutes at the most to do. As you can see, it's a pretty stable piece. Like, it's pretty tight in there. You see a little copper ping right there. That's probably the most important part, putting the little copper thing right there. So there we got it. There's a crimping tool that I recommend getting. See, it's pretty easy to work with. And yep, we should be good. Thank you.